Ifo chakpi wo nkịta ya lakpa nsị agwụ n'ọfịa. Ụbọchị tata anyị na-achọ ịkọwapụta maka ihe gbasara akụkọ nke na-agagharịnụ nke onye akpọrọ Ejeagha nwe akụkọ anụnwa akụkọ na egwu. Isi mbido akụkọ a bụ gwongwongwongwo ehi na-aga na nsọ gị n'azụ gwongwongwongwo. Onyenwa bụ isi akụkọ. Anyị chọrọ ịkọwapụta ihe gbasara akụkọ a n'asụsụ bekee maka na amaara m na ọ nwere ndị amarọ ihe akụkọ a pụtara ọ ihe mmụta dị n'akụkọ a, ọkachasị ndị Gen Z ya ndị amụrụ n'oge agbara ọfụrụ anụ ọbụla maka anyị nwa ndị amụta ete. Ịma na abịa na mgbe gboo achọ ịkọ akụkọ iho bụ ofu ihe eji wee mara ndị mgbe gboo. Ọkọ na ifo ka ezinụlọ ji anọkọrịta na ọ bụrụ na emechaa mmemme n'ụbọchị. So ka anyị banye n'akụkọ anọ. Gwongwongwongwo pụtara mkpọtụ enyi na-eme na ọ na-aga ije. Ịma na enyi na-aga, enyi bụ nnukwu anụ ama ama n'ala Igbo. Enyi bụ nnukwu anụ ama ama n'ụwa. Enyi na-aga ije, ọ na-eme mkpọtụ dị egwu, ụkwụ ya na-eme gwom gwom gwom. Ebe ahụ ka gwongwongwongwo m si wee pụta. Ifo chakpi. Once upon a time in a kingdom, the daughter of the king was rejecting all her suitors, regardless of their status, their royalties, and their backgrounds. So one day, the king called his family for a meeting. So he asked his daughter why she was rejecting all her suitors. So the king asked the daughter why she was rejecting all her suitors, and he also prompted the family members to ask her what is her problem and what is wrong. After the meeting, the king's daughter revealed that if anybody wants to marry her, the person is going to bring the elephant to the palace so that she can climb the back of the elephant and feel the magnificence of a royalty. That's just it. She just wants to have a feel of being a royalty. So she wants any of her sisters, anyone that is going to bring an elephant to the palace, to be the one she will marry. Now the tortoise was interested in marrying the king's daughter, and he overheard the discussion. And because the tortoise is a great friend to the elephant, he went to the elephant and told the elephant that the king is planning an Ofala festival and he wants the elephant to be the chairman of the celebration. Can you imagine that? And the elephant was happy because he has been finding ways to come close to the king, because he also loves the king's daughter and wants to marry her. So do you see the issue here? The elephant is interested in the king's daughter. Also the tortoise is interested in the king's daughter. So one of them is going to win. And who is that? So after the discussion with the elephant, the tortoise went to the king and told the king that he is coming tomorrow with his kingsmen to marry his daughter. So the king was like, "Small tortoise, do you remember what my daughter said? That if you must marry her, you must present the elephant." So the tortoise told the king, "Don't worry, wait for tomorrow, I am coming." Next day, the tortoise went to the elephant's house, but he went so late. So when he came in, the elephant was impatient. He was asking the tortoise, "Why did you come so late?" "Because I'm going to be the chairman of this occasion, so that means I have to be in this occasion very early." So the tortoise assured him that he shouldn't worry, that they are going to walk quickly to the occasion. Because of the tortoise's short leg, he couldn't walk so fast, and the elephant was urging him, "Wambe, small tortoise, can you please walk faster? I need to be in this occasion as early as I could because I am the chairman of the occasion." So the tortoise was like, "Elephant, you can see that I don't even have a long legs like you to walk faster. Okay, could you help me by carrying me at your back?" Can you see the corny tortoise, what he's trying to play here? Can you see that? So the elephant said, "Okay, no problem," because he wanted to do everything possible to make him be at the occasion as early as he could. So he told the elephant to hop in. He told the tortoise to hop in on his back so that they can go faster. And the tortoise made another request. He asked the elephant, "Please, can I use a rope to tie your neck so that I can use it to climb to your back?" Because he was finding it difficult. To climb on the elephant's back. The elephant was like, "Oh, no problem. Just do that. Let's go. We have to be there as soon as we can." Can you see that? So the tortoise, in his cunning self, tied a rope on the elephant's neck and carried him to the occasion. And when they are getting close to the palace, he began to sing, my king, I bring the elephant. My king, I bring the elephant. That is, na meza watamini. My king, I bring the elephant. Then the elephant will now respond, small tortoise, what did you say you bring? That is, mbe isini kwadoni. Mbe isini kwadoni. So he said, small tortoise, what did you say you are bringing to the king? Then the tortoise will now respond, Asimana ya shebeni duveni odikasima kwatameni. He said, I said, let the land protect and guide the elephant. And it seems like I said, I'm bringing the elephant. Do you see what the tortoise is trying to do here? Very cunning animal. And he now responded again, meaning the elephant, keep walking, I'm coming behind you. So that is the meaning of this story and the song, the trending song Gwon 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 by Ejeagha, and I hope you enjoyed it. So this story has a lot of moral lessons, and one of them is to beware of your friends. Beware of people you call your friends, because friends can actually betray another friend. Friend can actually betray another friend. You can see how the tortoise betrayed his friend elephant and sold him to the king so that he could marry the princess. Of people you trust, and be sure you are safe wherever you are going to. Bye bye.